Hearing loss is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be caused by various factors such as genetics, aging, noise exposure, and certain medical conditions. Unfortunately, many people with hearing loss are unaware of their condition and may not seek treatment until it becomes severe. This is why getting your hearing checked by a hearing professional is essential. A recent study examining exposure to dangerous noise levels was conducted by researchers at the University of Michigan School of Public Health and analyzed data from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey. The survey included over 4,000 participants who underwent hearing tests between 2011 and 2018. The researchers found that nearly 15% of adults aged 20 to 69 had hearing loss in at least one ear, and nearly 30% of adults over 70 had hearing loss in both ears. Additionally, the study found that men were more likely to have hearing loss than women. The study's findings are significant because they highlight the prevalence of hearing loss in the general population and the need for early detection and treatment. Untreated hearing loss can have several negative consequences, including social isolation, depression, and cognitive decline. Studies have also shown that hearing loss is associated with a higher risk of falls, accidents, and hospitalization. Getting your hearing checked by a hearing professional is essential because it can help detect hearing loss early and prevent further damage. Hearing professionals can perform various tests to assess your hearing, such as pure tone audiometry, speech audiometry, and otoacoustic emissions. If you are diagnosed with hearing loss, a hearing professional can recommend appropriate treatment options, such as hearing aids or cochlear implants. Some people may be hesitant to get their hearing checked because of the stigma associated with wearing hearing aids. However, today's hearing aids are discreet and technologically advanced, and they can significantly improve your quality of life. They can help you hear better in various environments, such as noisy restaurants, and improve your ability to communicate with others. Physicians Hearing Network can serve as an extension of your care team, providing audiology services at the point of care from licensed professionals. Our services are provided at no cost to the practice and generate additional ancillary revenue. If you would like to see if your practice qualifies, contact us today by visiting phnUSA.com